The long wheelbase fan. A great easy to use versatile vehicle with side and rear loading doors. The cabin is light, spacious and well equipped. With its extra height you can walk around inside and load taller items that need to be kept upright. It has a big carrying capacity of up to 1.6 tonnes. Driving around couldn't be simpler. The cab will comfortably fit 2 passengers with the driver. The long wheelbase van is the perfect solution to any small to medium move.
Remember, we supply packaging materials for your move.